Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss one editorial from 1st of Jan which is related to gig workers strike and the platform capitalism. So it's related to your GS2 social justice part and then GS3 that's connected to your labor, economy, technology and essay also. So if you look at the context, like what happened and why it is important is because see the editorial is talking about the platform capitalism and the gig workers. It is written by Babu P. Ramesh. And you see, by the end of 2025, a major strike happened by gig workers and not factory workers. And 25th December, there was a flash strike. 4,000 workers participated in that. And 31st of December, major strike in that 1 lakh plus workers stopped the work. Okay. So they deliberately chose the day of highest demand to make sure the issue will reach at the top. So on 25th December and 31st of December. Now, what were their demands? They are actually demanding for fair wages and the transparent payment system. Like why money is cut. So in certain scenarios, money is cut unnecessarily according to their view, and ban on 10-minute delivery model because it create extreme pressure and it is danger also that you have to face these traffic and you need to drive very fast also. Okay. Now, what do you mean by gig economy? Let's understand the definition. Now, coming to UPSC perspective, gig means small work, small project, small task like that, right? When we talk about gig workers or gig workers, no permanent employee, like their work is like task by task. For example, the Uber drivers, the Swiggy, Zomato, Blinkit delivery partners, all these are you can consider gig workers, and that economy is what you can consider gig economy. And Niti Aayog estimate, by 2029-30, India will have 2 crore 35 lakh such kind of workers, gig workers. Now, what do you mean by platform capitalism? Let me give you a simple explanation. Earlier, when we talk about capitalism, it's about industries and the capitalist owned factories. Now, today, the capitalist own a platform, the application, right? Zomato, Uber, like that. And they don't own the bike, they don't own the petrol, they don't own restaurant. They simply connect consumer and provider and they take the commission. So this is what platform capitalism, unlike the traditional factories where everything is owned by the capitalist. So platform capitalism means they just own the platform and their payment is based on the commission. Now, this one, 10-minute convenience, that has a dark reality also. The consumers want convenience, right? 10-minute delivery, that feels modern, that feels very much attractive. But behind it, there is a brutal pressure that you need to travel very fast and aggressive order taking, and all those are there. Then coming to this algorithmic control, right? There is no human boss, and that's why it's getting worse at sometimes. The companies, they use the algorithm to manage all these, right? So the software is controlling the workers' lives completely. So when there is a late delivery, there will be a penalty. And when there is a low rating, your ID can be blocked. So workers are always afraid of all these, delivering late or getting low rating and all those. So to meet that expectations or the deadline, they compromise on their own safety and the traffic rules are broken many times and many accidents, right? So the workers become exhausted, but must have to keep pushing them just to earn that respectable wages, but still you won't get much. And see, you can use a sociology link also because this is a very important sociology related topic as well, right? This digital panopticon, something which I've already discussed. So constant surveillance by software is there. That's what you mean by digital panopticon. So very important topic for sociology, especially sociology students. Okay. Now let's also talk about, see, the workers here are called the delivery partners and not employees. Now, why they're not called employees and called as delivery partners, there is a trap. Because if they are employees, then the labor laws apply to them. So there will be PF, there will be health insurance, there will be minimum wages. So here it is delivery partner. So language is used to avoid such kind of responsibility. And if you look at that editorial, the writer's line is actually indicating that they are self-employed, but also self-exploited, right? So they are delivery partners and they are self-employed, but self-exploited. Vehicle is there, fuel is there, EMI belongs to them, accident risk is also there, and company only assign orders And for that, something is paid and company take the commission also. And there is another term which is used as precariat, right? So that's another term which has been used in that. So that's a class whose lifestyle is always precarious, which means unstable, insecure. So the gig workers are the modern precariat. So that's why this term is actually used over there. Now, see, it's very hard to unite because there is no single factory gate here. The work is getting scattered across the city. The workers are getting scattered across the city. But the social media have changed the game. WhatsApp, Instagram, that helped them to organize. Even the public also supported them. What does that mean? The workers won't stay silent now. They are protesting and they are getting the support from the society also. What is the way forward? According to the editorial, you need to have that regulation on the algorithm. See, the software cannot treat humans like robots. And you also need to strengthen implementation of Social Security Code 2020. So there are provisions exist, but implementation is very weak. And this Rajasthan model, Rajasthan platform based, this for the gig work, platform based gig workers act 2023. So that's India's first law for this gig workers, and there is a welfare board cess on every transaction that will be used to create workers fund, and then there is a transparent billing provision. So workers should know how much customers paid and how much company cut and how much they are actually getting, right? And if there is any cut from them, why it is there. So see, the technology is good, the convenience is fine, it's all good, but it cannot come at the cost of some poor workers' life, their dignity, and their safety. So this strike, which have happened on 25th and 31st of December, that created awareness, and the gig workers will unite more strongly. So I hope you got their point, and very important for your GS2, GS3 essay, and if you're a sociology student, very important topic, this gig workers. Okay, so see you guys in the next video.